going to Ichiran, the best ramen in the world. So they're waiting for their noodles. Hello, everyone.
So,
How was it, Harp? Sobrang sarap, no? Daming kinain nito. Lakas, oh. Nabuhat niya, oh. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Toyota Museum. So, dito sa Japan, syempre galing ang Toyota. Makikita natin ang kanyang history. So guys, dito yung mga elementary, free ang tickets. Ang mga junior high school, it's 300 yen. Ang mga college student ay 500 yen. And the adults are 1,000 yen. Sobrang mura. Mai-enjoy mo na yung Toyota Museum. That's their factory. So big, my goodness.
the person is rolling,
Wow!
but it's very soft, so it's easy to break like this.
Grabe, oh. Daming cotton. She's gonna open the door daw for me so we can see inside the vintage Toyota. Oh. Wow. They are making a car, oh. Grabe, no? They're living on the future. They're living in the year 3000. Wow! Ano yan yung unang-unang Toyota kaya yan? Oo, yan yun. Tapos, yan yung mga colorway nila. Anong color sa'yo dyan? Ako yun. Yun sa akin, yun. Yung pink. Yan yung dalawa. Hi guys! Merry Christmas! It's December 24 and it's just a regular day here in Japan kasi hindi nila sinaselebrate talaga ang Christmas. New Year lang. But for us Filipinos all over the world, we celebrate Christmas. Oh! Mirai Tower! Ayan o. Kuya, tasya na mo may lumalabas o. Mirai Tower nakalagay. It's 12 a.m. Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas! Sarin, say Merry Christmas. Kaligo lang namin, nagtayuan kami dahil need namin mag Noche Buena. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Guys, show your Noche Buena food from 7-Eleven.
I got a spam and egg sandwich.
Okay. Greens. Healthy. But we have to cheers, Daddy. I got some Scotch whiskey highball. But you know, 7-Eleven food
It's amazing.
is the best. It's our day. What's the day?
5 na.
Day 5 and it's raining. So we're waiting for our yabu at Kurobota. Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Sobrang cute naman ang kids meal nila dito. So nandito kami sa food court ng Mitsukoshi and look what we found. We found heaven. Cute ng cake nila, no? Super. Oh, chocolate bel amer. Ito gusto ko. Yummy. Godiva ice cream. Masarap sa rin. Ayaw mo? The girls are here buying photo cards. Hello! Oh. Ang daming dream. Ah. Ikaw din?
I'm done.
Andan.
Picture lang.
Oo. Ba't nga ganyan nababaliw yung mga bata? Ang sarap ng maraming anak.
Saril. Alam ko mamasusbet.
Oh, galing ni Sarin. Ay, Harper, ayaw magpatalo. Ay, huwag patalo. Yung dalawa. Alala, makabatok na.
Galing din yung saril.
Ay, ayaw magpatalo.
Welcome to our vlog. Hello. Daming Pilipino sa Japan. Pag Filipino ka po, punta kayo sa Japan. Maganda yung weather. What's up mga Macy's? I'm Kalel. And this is Nagoya Sakai, Japan. Now, we're gonna have dinner before our day in Legoland. Somewhere here in the where Dad is bringing us in the city, in the lovely city. And
Diretso lang yan. Marami pa dun sa dulo.
one thing I really admire about Japan is very clean here, very organized. And see you guys. Bye-bye.
So, we are here at Coco Carry House for our dinner. Wow, you have apple juice and jalapeno. This is your spoon and fork.
I have your chicken.
Yummy! Isa rin is simple meal, basta kasama na diet. So, pag mapunta kayo sa Legoland from Nagoya Station, lahat is, pinaka-center ng lahat is Nagoya Station. The train, makikita nyo na yung Legoland. The colorful hotel. That's the Legoland Hotel. Wow! Legoland! Oo, OT lang. Kaya masaya. Eto, dyan, meron din tayo dyan. Meron din tayo dyan. Ganda ng hotel. Grabe. Woo! Hi guys! Ayun, maganda oh. Ayun. Hindi ka naman totally mababasag. Liit lang, no? Ayun yung roller coaster, oh. Yan. Yeah. Go, Ben, go! Go! Stop! Oh, welcome to Sea Life. Wala, laki ng crab. Tignan mo. Walking in the water. Ayun yung shark ko, be. Ayun yung shark sa ibabaw. Wow. Oh, ito, pasalubong ko sa Pilipinas. Crab mentality. Dahil maraming crab sa Pilipinas. Char. So, we went to Sea Life, Nagoya. It was simple, but sobrang ganda ng mga isda. Guys, it's 1 degree here. Tapos na ang aming Legoland at Sea Life. And we're going home tomorrow. So, it's our last dinner here in Nagoya. And we're having some Wagyu A5 steak. Wagyu time, A5.
Wagyu A5 meat.
Dun, 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 dun. Hindi yan bulgogi. Grilled steak yan. So, we ended our last night with a coffee date. Cheers, my love. Wow. Matcha and coffee. At Cafe Boloche. This is our last night. So, how was your vacation? Did you have fun?
Yeah. Ang important naman sa kids.
Happy sila, no?
How they interact with the other countries.
So, kitang-kita mo yung happiness nila, no? Grabe. At syempre, mas happy tayo. Kasi happy sila. Nayak ako. So, mga ka-forever, this is our last 6 days. Tomorrow, 7th day natin, uuwi na tayo. Kasi mag-celebrate naman tayo ng New Year sa ating family with Meyerhofer and Conway. And baka sila patrimonyo din, sila kuya, mag-celebrate sa bahay. Let's go! Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays! Happy 2026!
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu. So, this is the Maneki-neko. Meow, 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 meow. Ayan, birthday boy, birthday. Birthday boy. Wow. Flight of dreams. So big.
Wow. Uy.
Naka-business class. Uy, sino to? Si Chuya? Chuyu. Hi, Chuyu. Arp. Alin?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka ba? Bye.
The best feeling pag nakauwi ka na sa sarili mong bansa. Welcome back and Happy New Year!
Amazing Philippines.
Mabuhay! Okay.